If you shop online, you've probably used PayPal to make a purchase at some point. Many websites have even integrated it as part of their checkout process. Because of that, all you have to do is log into your account and you can pay with one click. With 200 million account holders and an average of 193 transactions per second, it's safe to say that PayPal is one of the leading online payment platforms. But what you may not know is that PayPal also offers a credit service. In 2014, the company rebranded its popular Bill Me Later service as PayPal Credit. It's essentially a line of credit through Community Capital Bank that's built into your PayPal account. It allows you to decide whether you want to pay for a purchase up front or in smaller installments over time. There's no annual fee. If you already have an account, you won't need to create another one if you want to use the credit service. You can simply add it to your existing PayPal account and manage everything in one place. There's no physical credit card either. Everything is done online and through their mobile app. Applying is easy. Go to paypal.com and click on Personal at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select PayPal Credit and click on Apply Now. Here, you can read through the details of the credit agreement, then click Apply Now again. Sign into your account or create one, then you'll be asked to confirm your billing address. Next, you'll need to enter your date of birth, social security number, and phone number. Click Agree and review terms to submit your application. You will get a decision in seconds, and if you're approved, the credit line will be added to your account. To decide whether or not to approve your application, PayPal will check your credit score just like a bank or car dealership would before offering you a loan. But what's different about PayPal Credit is that they do not report any positive or negative information to the credit bureaus once you're approved. This means that missed payments won't lower your credit score. However, it also means that if you're a good customer and make all your payments on time, it won't improve your score either. But this doesn't mean you can get away with not paying your bill. They could close your account if you miss enough payments, and late fees add up quickly. It can be used anywhere that accepts PayPal as a form of payment. Thousands of online retailers accept it, and you can even use it in-store in some places, like Home Depot and Dollar General. You can find a list of shops near you that accept PayPal using the store locator in the mobile app. If you want to use your credit in stores, you'll need to make it your preferred method of payment first. Log into your account and go to Settings. Click on Payments, then scroll to the bottom of the page to your preferred way to pay. Next to In-Store Purchases, click on Change and select your credit account, then click Save. When you check out using PayPal in stores, there are two different methods. It's important to know that since you won't have a card, both methods require you to use the mobile app, so be sure to download it and log in before making your purchase. Some retailers will ask for the phone number associated with your account and your PIN number. After entering your phone number and PIN, a QR code will appear on your mobile device that the cashier can scan. If you don't have a PIN number for your account, you can set one up under your security settings. Next to Mobile PIN, click Create and enter your 4 to 8 digits, then click Add or Change PIN. Some stores will ask for a code instead of a PIN number. In this case, you'll need to use the PayPal mobile app to generate a one-time passcode for the transaction. Open the app and scroll to the bottom, then click on In-Store. This will give you a list of places where you can use your PayPal credit based on your location. Once you've chosen the store where you want to shop, a 4-digit code will appear. This code will serve as your PIN number for the transaction, and will only work one time at that particular store. For most purchases of $99 or more, you have the option of no payments and 0 interest for 6 months, but it's always a good idea to pay it off early to avoid interest later. You can make payments on your PayPal credit through your computer or mobile device, or send them a check. To pay through your web browser, log into your account and go to PayPal Credit on the left side of the page. Next, click on Make a Payment, then enter your information. Click Continue, review your details and click Pay. To pay through the app, tap on Manage PayPal Credit, then go to Make a Payment, fill in your information, and tap Pay. If you're looking for rewards like cashback bonuses and airline miles, or want to build your credit, there are other cards that would be better suited for your needs. But if you already use PayPal and find the zero interest offer appealing, their credit service is easy and convenient to add to your account. Check it out at paypal.com/credit to see if it's right for you.